Welcome back to Homepedia. In today's video, we are diving into the world of innovative home design that seamlessly blends the tranquility of a garden with the comfort of your living room. Imagine stepping into your own oasis where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, and nature becomes an integral part of your daily life. The focal point of this unique design is a heart-shaped swimming pool or a serene fish pond, strategically placed as a central feature connecting your home and garden. The concept is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a harmonious living space that promotes relaxation and connection with nature. The swimming pool or fish pond serves as the nucleus of this design, acting as a visual centerpiece visible from both the living room and the garden. Large, strategically placed windows and glass doors allow for a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The lush greenery of the garden becomes a natural extension of your living room, creating a sense of tranquility and unity. Here are some practical tips for creating your own living room garden connection. First, ensure a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces by incorporating wide openings and glass doors. These design elements not only visually connect the living room and garden but also allow for a continuous flow, making your home feel like a unified, expansive space. And second, make the heart-shaped swimming pool or fish pond the undeniable focal point of your design. Position it strategically so that it's visible from various angles within your living room and garden. This central feature acts as a visual anchor, drawing attention and creating a sense of harmony between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The third is integrate plants and trees that complement both the interior and exterior aesthetics. Choose greenery that thrives in both environments, creating a cohesive and visually appealing atmosphere. The goal is to make the garden an extension of your living room, blurring the lines between nature and architecture. And then, utilize creative lighting solutions to enhance the ambience during different times of the day. Whether it's soft, warm lighting for cozy evenings or vibrant, natural light during the day, thoughtful illumination can accentuate the beauty of your living room garden connection, creating a magical and inviting atmosphere. Number 5. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture to encourage relaxation in the garden. The seating areas should be inviting and aligned with the overall design aesthetic, making your outdoor space as comfortable and welcoming as your living room. This encourages family and guests to enjoy the entire living experience. Sixth, select plants and features that thrive in all seasons for year-round beauty. This ensures that your living room garden connection remains vibrant and appealing regardless of the weather. Consider evergreen plants and elements that provide visual interest and continuity throughout the changing seasons. Seventh, consider incorporating water features, such as fountains or small waterfalls, to add a soothing auditory element to your living space. The gentle sound of flowing water complements the tranquility of the garden, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere that transcends the traditional boundaries of indoor and outdoor living. 8. Enhance your living experience by adding an outdoor kitchen to your garden space. This not only serves a practical purpose but also transforms your outdoor area into a multifunctional space for cooking, dining, and entertaining. An outdoor kitchen fosters a connection between your culinary activities and the beauty of nature. 9. Strategically use plants, screens, or curtains to create private nooks within your garden space. This ensures that you can enjoy both the openness of the outdoors and the intimacy of indoor living. Thoughtful privacy solutions contribute to a well-balanced and comfortable living environment. And the last is, plan for easy maintenance of both indoor and outdoor spaces to ensure the longevity of your living room garden connection. Regular upkeep of plants, the swimming pool or pond, and other features is essential to preserve the beauty and functionality of your integrated living space. A well-maintained space ensures that you can continue to enjoy the seamless connection between your living room and garden for years to come.